Hello everyone, welcome back to Soft Asia Tech. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add Lottie animation in your WordPress page or blog using Divi Builder. You can see I have added a graph Lottie animation here using Supreme module for Divi add-on plugin. To add it, first you need to log into the dashboard. Now, first of all, you have to add a new plugin. For this, hover over plugins and click on add new. In search bar, search Supreme Module Lite. As you can see, the Supreme Module Lite Divi theme built by Supreme Modules. It has 100,000 plus active installations. Click on install now. After installing, click on activate. Now click on dashboard. Now before proceeding further, please like this video and subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified about future updates. Now go to posts or click on pages. I will click on pages. Here select page in which you want to add Lottie animation. I will select this one. Now click on edit with Divi. It will take you to Divi editor. Now here you have to add Lottie animation. For this, scroll down to the place where you want to add Lottie animation. I want to add here, so I will click on this blue bar, then click on this plus button, add a regular section, and then add a single row. Now the module appears. Scroll down. Here you can see the Supreme modules that comes with the plugin that we have added now. Here you can see Supreme Lottie module. Click on it. Now here you have to add Lottie JSON file. To download a Lottie JSON files, you have to visit our website Lottie Files. Here you can search for your choice. I will search here website design. Now here you can see the multiple animations. Select one of them. I will select this one. A pop-up will appear like that. Scroll down. Here you can see the WordPress logo. You can directly embed it using HTML or download it. To download it, you can see the download button here. Click on this arrow button. Here you have multiple choices. I will click on this Lottie JSON. Now you can see the JSON file was downloaded. Now go back to your website. Click on upload and then drag this file into your media library. Select this file and then click on upload a JSON file. Now here you can see a live preview here. You can change the delay, enable or disable loop, or change the direction. You can also change its speed to fast. Now in design, you can change its sizing. I will make it 70% and then make it center aligned. In animation, you can change the box animation. I will make it fade. Now click on this tick button, click on these three dots and update the page. Now you have successfully updated the page. To take a live preview, click on this exit visual builder button. Now scroll down. Here you can see you have successfully added a Lottie animation in your WordPress page. Hope you learned something new in this tutorial. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel and also press bell icon to get notified about future updates about Divi. Thanks for watching.